Indeed, for me, it means everything, because there is a need for Nigerians to recover their nation from incompetent leadership, from corrupt leadership. Consequently, we have all moved into the ADC. Like you rightly said, it's a movement aimed at restoring democratic rule in our nation. And it means everything, because under a democracy, everyone is equal, everyone has the same freedom of speech that the leaders have, there is equity, there is justice, there is rule of law. A nation where the president will blatantly, openly flout the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and remove a democratically elected governor of Rivers State, and Nigerians just ignore it and just did nothing. I mean, that's an abnormality. He spat on our Constitution. That's what we are all clamoring for now. A government, a party that will lead us to the rule of law, where everyone is equal, where everyone will respect the rule of law and the Constitution that governs our nation. So, from today, it is ADC. The coalition partners in Delta State have joined the ADC. We are joining hands together to see that we rescue not just our nation, but our state, our local government, and our wards from the decay that has permeated our nation from top to bottom. After today, there will be more consultations because here in Delta State, we have people, you can see for yourself, people coming from PDP, people coming from APC, those coming from Labour Party, Obedient, all the other partners, they are all coming together in one house. So from today on, we will begin to plan the unveiling at the national. That is the next step. And once that is done, we will be ready for Congress. And then after the Congress, we'll have our national primaries where our candidates will be elected to contest for the presidential election. And happily, all our leaders who want to run for this premier position in Nigeria, they have all said that it will be open, free, fair, and credible process where everyone involved the Nigerians will see what is going on there. And each of them have said that whoever wins, that the rest of us will support, because that person will be the choice of the majority. That's what democracy is about. I am so excited for the future of Nigeria in the hands of ADC. I am so excited.